Hello, viewers. Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question 6B of NOV-DEC 2024. This is paper 2. The minute hand of a clock is 7.2 centimeter. We have to calculate correct to 5 significant figures the area swept by the minute hand from 17:35 hours to 18:20 hours. So let's make a sketch of how that will look like. All right, so if this is the clock, now we know 17:35 is 5 p.m. That's 5:35 p.m. So if the hour hand, this is 3, 4, 5. If the hour hand, we know that's the smallest one. If the hour hand is on 5, then that should be at 5 o'clock, right? Then the minute hand will be on 35, so that will be 7. So let's say the minute hand is here. Now, for me to get into 18, that is 6 o'clock, the minute hand must move to from 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 55, 60. Then this will move to make it 6 o'clock. So we are moving to 5, 10, 15, and 20. Meaning the minute hand will now be here. So what is the area swept by the minute hand? Meaning, as the minute hand, imagine we pour sand on the surface of the clock. As the minute hand is traveling, it will be sweeping the sand away until it pour at this place. Which means we are looking at the diagram will now become something like this. This is what we are looking for, the area swept by this. And this is referring to a sector. So you're looking for the area of this sector, knowing the radius being the minute hand at 7.2. We need to know the angle that is subtended at the center, or the angle that this arc subtends at the center. So we need to come back to the time. How can we use the time to generate the angle? A total angle in a circle is 360, and each angle, as a complete movement of the minute hand, travel what? 60 times. So 60 minutes give you a complete resolution. So that 60 is producing the total angle. So I can say that if 60 minutes is giving me 360 degrees, then the minute swept here should give me lesser angle, right? What is the minute? 5, 10, 20, 15. Okay, let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it means that 45 minutes is what the minute hand is traveling. The 45 minutes will give us less than this. So if less, more divide. So this implies that 45 divided by 60, all in minutes, times 360 degrees. This will be going here as 6 times. 6 times 40, that was 240. 6 times 5, 30. So we have 270 degrees. And that 270 degrees is the angle at the center here. So I am only going to say that area of the sector, which in this case is referring to the area swept by the minute hand, is given by theta on 360 times what? Pi r squared, or better still, times the area of the circle. So fast forward, we can have our 270, which is the angle found in there, divided by 360 times 22 on 7, representing the pi, times 7.2 times 7.2. 7.2 is the radius, which is the length of the minute hand. So I think we can put this in a calculator. We can cancel and multiply, but let's just put all in a calculator. So you put all in a calculator, you should be arriving at 122.1943. So something like this. But we are leaving our answer in 5 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that, therefore, the area swept by the So we will say that, therefore, the area swept by the minute hand is going to be 122.19 centimeter square, since we are dealing with centimeter, right? So 122.19 centimeter squared. I guess the principle employed in the question is cleared by you. You know, we are only thinking about the area of a sector. That's what we are. That is all the question is about. But for you to be able to appreciate how we can use angle resolution to find the angle and the minute used in finding the angle, that is why the question is framed in this way. Leave a comment at the comment section to know about your thought, or if there is another way we can arrive at the answer. Share, comment, and subscribe.